Today, we're diving deep into the latest leaks about Samsung's upcoming foldable phones, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6. Buckle up, because these leaks reveal some seriously cool features. Let's start with the star of the show, the screens. Both phones are rumored to boast impressive displays. The Z Fold 6 might have a 6.3-inch outer screen, a massive 7.6-inch foldable main screen, both with a 120Hz refresh rate for super smooth scrolling. The Flip 6 seems to stick with the familiar 3.4-inch cover screen and a 6.7-inch foldable display. Here's some exciting news. Forget dropping your phone in fear. Leaks suggest both phones will have an IP48 rating for dust and water resistance. This isn't the top-tier IP68 rating, but it's a significant upgrade for foldables, offering more peace of mind. The leaks also point to super strong builds. Apparently, the Z Fold 6 and Flip 6 will have Aura aluminum frames and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for screen protection. While rumors of a titanium frame for the Z Fold 6 didn't pan out, this combo still sounds pretty darn tough. Under the hood, both phones are expected to pack the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, ensuring smooth performance for everything you throw at them. They'll likely come with 12 GB of RAM and storage options ranging from 256 GB to 1 TB for the Z Fold 6. Both will run on the latest Android 14 with Samsung's One UI 6.10 on top. The Flip 6 gets a special shout-out here with its rumored vapor chamber cooling system, a first for the Flip series. This should help prevent overheating during intense gaming sessions. Samsung's Galaxy A makes a comeback, offering features like Scene Optimizer and Enhanced Chat Assist on the Flip 6's cover screen for faster and more relevant message replies. However, any rumors of groundbreaking new AI features seem to be on hold for now. Camera-wise, the Flip 6 might sport a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10-megapixel selfie camera. The Z Fold 6 appears to be getting a triple-camera rear setup with a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. On the front, it could have a 10-megapixel camera on the cover screen and a 4-megapixel under display camera. Both phones should be able to capture stunning 4K videos at 60 FPS with all cameras. The Flip 6 is rumored to pack a 4,000 mAh battery, which is a bump from the previous model. Despite the bigger battery, it's said to be thinner than before. The Z Fold 6 keeps its 4,400 mAh battery, but manages to shed some weight compared to its predecessor. Both phones are expected to have the usual suspects: fingerprint reader, stereo speakers, dual SIM slots, and all the latest connectivity options like 5G, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC. However, Samsung DeX support seems to be exclusive to the Z Fold 6. Based on Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event, the Z Fold 6 is expected to launch on August 11th. The starting price, it might be $1,899, which is a $100 jump from the Z Fold 5. The Flip 6's price tag is rumored to start at $1,099. Sure, these phones might seem a bit pricey, but with the rumored improvements in durability, features, and the potential for some sweet pre-order freebies, they could be worth the investment. This is just a taste of what we know so far about the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6. We'll keep you updated as more details surface. If you're excited about these foldable phones, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for all things tech. Today, we are diving into the latest buzz surrounding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Buckle up, because this phone is shaping up to be a true game changer in the world of smartphones. Let's get into the juicy details. First off, Samsung seems laser-focused on making the S25 Ultra the king of smartphones in 2025. The company appears to be using a two-pronged attack to achieve this: a monstrous camera system and mind-blowing performance upgrades. Let's start with the camera. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to stick with its familiar quad-camera setup, but with some serious enhancements. The main sensor will likely boast a hopping 200 megapixels, matching the S24 Ultra but optimized for the S25 Ultra's specific hardware thanks to the new Snapdragon Agent 4 camera ISP. But that's not all. We're also looking at a 5x optical zoom lens with a 50 megapixel sensor, a brand new 3x optical zoom lens, also with a 50 megapixel sensor, and an ultra-wide angle lens getting a bump to 50 megapixels as well. These upgrades, particularly for the 3x zoom and ultra-wide sensors, are long overdue and promise to significantly elevate mobile photography. Now let's talk about performance. One of the most exciting rumors is the reintroduction of a fan-favorite feature, a 16 GB RAM option. And not just any RAM, but the industry-first LPDDR5X RAM, capable of speeds up to a staggering 10.7 GePs. This translates to unparalleled performance for on-device AI, demanding tasks like cloud gaming, and much more. When you combine this insane RAM with the power of the Snapdragon Agent 4 processor, the S25 Ultra has the potential to be the absolute performance leader in the smartphone world. Speaking of the Agent 4, another reliable leak suggests it'll house the most powerful GPU ever seen in a smartphone. Benchmarks show prototypes running Genshin Impact at a smooth 1080 resolution and 60 FPS, a dream for mobile gamers. Currently, this popular game is capped at 720 on most phones, and maintaining a consistent 60 FPS is a struggle. Of course, with great power comes a potentially higher price tag. Rumors suggest the Snapdragon Agent 4 chip could inflate the price of the entire S25 series compared to its predecessor. Qualcomm has reportedly increased the cost of the Agent 4 significantly compared to the Agent 3. This leaves Samsung with a tough choice: raise prices across the board or potentially use the Exynos 2500 processor for the S25 and S25 Plus, reserving the mighty Agent 4 exclusively for the S25 Ultra. The Agent 4 itself is a whole new beast, built from the ground up using Qualcomm's Super Orion cores previously seen in their laptops. This chip has the potential to give the Galaxy S25 Ultra performance that rivals some Apple M series laptops. But wait, there's more. We also have hot rumors about the Galaxy S25 Ultra being equipped with the next generation of storage, UFS 4.1. Universal Flash Storage, or UFS, determines how fast your phone can access and store data. The latest and greatest version is UFS 4.0, which powers many current flagships, including the Galaxy S24. But the future is calling, and whispers suggest the Galaxy S25 Ultra might be the first to sport UFS 4.1. While UFS 5.0 is expected around 2027, UFS 4.1 steps in as a minor yet significant upgrade. It's not a mind-blowing jump in raw numbers, but it's targeted to enhance specific areas like on-device AI features. Faster read and write speeds with UFS 4.1 will allow the phone to access data needed by AI algorithms much quicker, translating to smoother performance for features like scene optimization in your camera app, real-time language translation, and other background AI functions. So, what does this all mean? The Galaxy S25 Ultra, if equipped with UFS 4.1, is shaping up to be a powerhouse for AI enthusiasts. Faster data access, improved multitasking, and potential battery life improvements. That's a recipe for a future-proof phone ready to tackle demanding tasks. Of course, this is all based on rumors for now, but one thing's for sure: the future of smartphones looks increasingly intertwined with the power of AI, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra, with its potential UFS 4.1 upgrade, might just be at the forefront of that exciting evolution. So there you have it. What are your thoughts on the upcoming S25 Ultra? Are the camera upgrades exciting you? Can't wait for the return of 16 gigabytes RAM? Or is the potential power of the Snapdragon Agent 4 blowing your mind? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you in the next one, guys. Until then, goodbye.